We're gonna take our 2 slices of bread and toast them. Alrighty, so today we are going to make Marcy's enchilada, a culinary felony. First things we're gonna do is preheat our oven to 350. Perfect. Now that we got that preheated, we are going to combine all of our ingredients into this saucepan. We're going to need a cup of this tangy tomato sauce, which I've already pre-prepared, just some tomato puree and some seasonings. 2 cans of these diced tomatoes. And then we're going to put in our chopped green chilies here, red onion, a little bit of artificial sweetener, ground cumin, some salt, oregano, and some basil, and just a little bit of garlic powder. Now we're gonna stir this all up and simmer it on the oven for about 12 minutes. Double. Now that we've simmered our sauce for 12 minutes, we're gonna take our 2 slices of bread and toast them. Now that we've got our 2 pieces of toast here, we're going to put them here in our baking dish. We're gonna take some of our sauce, spoon it over the top of our pieces of toast here. Alrighty. Now we're gonna take some of our chicken, put it on top of the sauce. And for our final step, we're gonna take the cheese and put that on top. Now we're gonna put our baking dish in our preheated oven for 15 minutes. Alrighty, 15 minutes is up. We're gonna take our Marcy's enchilada out of the oven. Now that they're out, we're gonna plate them up and then we'll try it. All right. Dear God, Marcy, what have you done? Aunt V, would you like to come try Marcy's enchilada?
I will come try Marcy's enchilada.
All right. Test this out. Wet bread.
How can that be crunchy and soggy at the same time?
Actually doesn't taste very bad. It just is wet bread.
Yeah, it's not disgusting, but it's not an enchilada. Maybe if we had some corn tortillas, we could just scrape this off of there and
Make it
put
a
it
real
onto that.
enchilada, huh? Alrighty, well, thank you.